Welcome to the Daily Grind, everyone. So I've got this I just picked up. It was like $10, and it's a meter to tell your moisture level and the pH level. It also tells how much light. So if I switch it to here, you can see, well, there's no shade, so it's super bright out. But you stick this in the dirt, and it tells you how moist it is, which is really beneficial. So a friend of mine does gardening. That's what he does, or not gardening, landscaping. And he has to plant trees and stuff and keep things watered, and he said pick one of these up. It's cheap, it's 10 bucks. You just stick it in the ground and it tells you how much moisture there is. So it takes a second, I stick it in and I wait, and you can see that it should be pretty good. It's not super dry, it's not super wet, it's right in the center, and you want to keep it around that. Now I did water this yesterday, so I've noticed every 2 or 3 days. So I'll check this tomorrow and see how it's going. But I can also switch this over to pH, and it tells me down below here it is a little past 7 pH, so it's in between 7 and 8. So that's that's probably, I need to make it a little more acidic, I think. I'm not sure, but boy, those guinea, I'm telling you, those guinea over there are really, they're calling out to be eaten. I think that's what they're doing. They're super noisy and obnoxious. I mean, I knew that when I got them. So anyway, there we go. So this is pretty cool. I'm going to be using this now to be able to tell when I need to water and when I don't. So it kind of jumps up really quick and then it evens itself out. So that's pretty cool. So I just want to show you guys that. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next video. Now you try to escape the daily grind.